There are three main ways of writing numbers. Last is, we could write numbers using words, just like how we read numbers aloud, like 2421, for example. We do this by first being familiar with the names of each of the place values. We have to know the ones, the tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions, and so on for bigger numbers, and where they are found in a number which is in standard form. So for the number shown on the left side, we take note of each digit and the place value of each digit. And so we have our digits of the number and the place value of each number. And we have to be familiar with the place value in words. Okay, so we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. Next is we get the value of each digit. So we have a digit 1 has a value of 1 million, the digit 6 has a value of 600,000, digit 7 has a value of 70,000, digit 2 has a value of 2,000, the digit 8 has a value of 800, the digit 9 has a value of 90, and the digit 4 has a value of 4. After that, we say out loud the number. Just be sure to organize the number in sections called periods, or in groups of 3 digits beginning from the ones place. So this is a period, this is a period, and this is a period. So one period in a number is composed of 3 digits beginning from the ones place. And after 3 digits, we have another period, which begins at the thousands place, and so on. So for this number, we read it as 1 million, and then we take note of the periods: 672,890